now.
My pikin, rain wait for yesterday night. The flood don't cover the entrance of our school. School there, but no way to enter.
Ima,
Dissolve!
Shank, I don't tell you if I don't like school.
When I'm coming out, I look so vivacious.
Ima, no, I don't go Shank. You know the year say, water full our school. Moku the quack. If you don't go, me I the call.
Hello my people, I want to deal with this up. It's your boy OBIKING and welcome back again to another episode of what I do best, comedy reactions. So guys, this is going to be very short, so make sure to watch to the very end. Subscribe if you're yet to do that, and please drop nice comments and also share this video. It's very important, you feel me? So don't play my people, let's go have some fun.
I want pop my tire. Not making this smell. I mean smell. Keep that aside. They say they be the best organizer for Africa. I make a carry my car come here. What do you want to know the pump for you? All the old guests we do BBF for Instagram. I get it for the pump up. Okay. Active activity. Where the girl will pump my yacht yesterday? Oh my God. Don't make them lose your balance.
I like it.
Oh God, what do you want to know the pump for you? You get one of my friends when me here. I first pump here. I give this boy a 3.6 million, me use her bets. And I don't tell her doesn't kill with bet with the best when it comes to prediction. I tell her to click the link for my bio. This boy carry out your money, go give SK record. Okay, no, SK record. Pump again. Pump waiting. Coward already pump.
Jesus!
Don't worry, we'll carry you with our coffee.
This guy will wear.
Auntie Kuma, you want to come back from school now?
My pikin, rain wait for yesterday night. The flood don't cover the entrance of our school. School there, but no way to enter.
Ima,
Dissolve!
Shank, I don't tell you if I don't like school.
When I'm coming out, I look so vivacious.
Ima, no, I don't go Shank. You know the year say, water full our school. Moku the quack. If you don't go, me I the call.
Go where? Eh? Can't you see this gun here? So you want to miss my mathematics test, you this boy? Come on, go and dress up and go to school.
Who sent this teacher?
Hey, be you magic, you don't hear them. You come wear your clothes when you go to school. My dear, come here, sister, come wear your
My
clothes.
guy really likes
Hey! This my mathematics teacher, not teaching what is in school.
Let's go.
Dogo, please.
What now?
Dogo, me, I'm a very reserved girl, though. Me, I'm a mommy's girl. Don't break my heart.
Assassin, oh God, who is this? Assassin, let me talk to my business friends. I'm coming.
Okay, Dogo.
Belle.
Asiga. Hey! Bass. Afana, babe, you don't come my land, babe.
Olórí burúkú ni ẹni mo dẹ̀ ń kọ́ táìpù wèrè ara òde ń ṣe bí olórí burúkú o fẹ́ lọ́gàá mú ṣòro ní àfẹ́ o fẹ́ dọ̀bálẹ̀ mú wàhálà wọ́n sọ ní.
Yeah, well, you know, my look be this so. And then they try to tell you, say, you don't level up, don't come my land, say, oh, you know, they look bad, though. They see on yourself, I don't miss you.
Ọmọ àlè ni ẹ ti use wey get small prick since I no remember you own ẹ̀ ní kúrè dé kó.
Why you go there to say you don't know
Dey
me?
go jọ dey go I get caught.
I get custody.
Hey, don't try.
Baby, let me explain.
No, you can't explain. I overheard everything.
I swear, it's not me.
You get
here.
small
Dissolve!
Yeah, it was my past for long.
Because I love you. Take it as your past. It's fine. Let's go.
Thank you very much. Where you dey go? You don't sabi me again. You don't want to greet me like that. I want a double gunner. I don't sabi sapa. How far your infection? Are you infection free now?
Hey! But olórí burúkú ni ẹ, you know you're wetin the guy dey talk. You even have infection, you even senior me for that because me I never choose infection before you have syphilis.
But why are you shouting? This is just my past now.
It's your past.
Well, me, I don't want to spoil my parole. Now, people fit each other. OS plus OS, SOS.
Yes. Yes, you don't do yourself, no worry.
You are tolo. When you switch off the light goes off. You switch it on, it goes on. Jesus. Respect yourself. Jesus!
You don't still come out.
Woman are cupboard.
Another person don't carry him. That's why they tell the carry girl up and down.
Don't forget about my smiling. I have destroyed many that are trespassed.
You don't see come out. Yeah, no one to now. Leave her where she dey go.
I can never come back. It's already too late. It won't make sense.
God of Nazareth, God of Most High God, God of Destiny of Empire, God of King of the King, Most High God, I'm calling you for this today. That you can bless Obi, God bless you, Obi.
Now yes, you know why did
From the very first time I saw you, I know we are meant for each other. Will you be my wife?
Say yes, say yes, say yes.
Yes.
Even men too, they do say yes.
She put on for yes.
Now that price we talk on.
Now Olosho she be.
I don't send them pa. Madam, where they get them for this ring pa?
I don't understand. Now ring where you want buy, I mean, my personal issue one. What's it really concern you? Better take your time.
Sorry.
Different people they propose give us
Hello,
story.
baby.
Hi, baby. How are you?
Babe, I'm not good though.
This our 2 months relationship is not leading anywhere.
There's no assurance, nothing. I'm tired though, not even a promise ring, babe.
You just took the word out of my mouth, sir.
Are you serious?
A dispatch rider is already coming to your place with a promise ring.
Are you serious?
Of course, my love.
Babe, thank you so much. You're the best. I love you. Okay, Alpha. What time they come tomorrow?
10 o'clock.
Don't worry, I will bring another gold drink for you.
Hey, hearty.
This is business.
Now like this, they do their own business.
This is
Nduka, you don't turn eyes of the gods.
Young man! What is the problem? Why are you trying to scare the great Okunoka?
Help me. Serious war in my house. I need help, I beg.
War in your house? No wonder the gods instructed me to use this route to save this young man. Take this! You go walk. Go back there and defeat and come out victorious. Go!
You know, ask her who you they follow fight though.
Your phone did not work?
The phone disappeared.
That spirit must be very strong. You want to challenge the great Okunoka, the man that goes to battle and comes out victorious, the sun that comes out at night, the lion that stays in the garden. Okunoka
get power.
Young man, go in with the ghost. Let us see if that fight can withstand the physical and the spiritual. Go!
This one when they first me enter my house, you know where the thing there.
No, see what you go up now.
Which kind of fight will do your house when be saying the ghost don't run?
Baba, this one don't come out for flesh and blood. You don't have principality and power.
Are you serious?
And my girlfriend though, Tawa, she know the rest. She said if I don't live up to expectation, she go leave me. Help me. Baba, help me.
Oh, now that can't why you fight. If I put my talk on time now, this one don't get anything to do with spiritual. It is purely medicine.
Physical. Look at medicine.
Young man, this is triple root coffee. Is this particular medication that will make you be strong as a man? They will give you the power to deliver in the inner room. You go just the fire, bah, 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 bah. At the end of the day, now you must win. You see this is what they call Ace Brew. Ace Brew gives you the power to carry out your day-to-day activity. Strength for office, strength for market. You go to work morning till night. You don't get the fit tired. Okay, go back there and come out victorious.
Colabo.
Yes.
So work.
Yes.
It's like Colabo.
Ace Brew there for you. If you tell me say this one a physical battle.
No, you go win this time because you don't do adverts give us. You don't do adverts give us. It's sure that
I can see. You want Kabi? Scatter. I tell you. I conquered. I tell you. What be this? What be this? Ada. Papa.
Hey.
Ada, you want to go school? Hey! Ada, shrine they pray for you to the gods. Make you live long. Now you decide how they tell man, kill me.
Ah, Baba, relax now. This one no be matter now. I don't want to say I'll come do small thing for her head next week. You never reach like that. Now make coincidence.
Oh, you the plan to go do small thing for her head. Now you do big thing for your waist. As you get my chop the daughter of the great Okunoka. The great Okunoka go chop you. Okunoka!
Hey!
I won't follow me chop my fiancé.
Shut up. Rush go buy me coke, my useful ammo.
Mamuka, I didn't find my phone. I finished your phone. Call my phone.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Thank you. Mamuka, what be this? What you take save my number? If I big nyash.
If I get big nash now. If I get big nash now, if you don't get big nash.
I'm gonna make that 250 go. Director, what's the meaning of this one now? This guy's wasting our time. I don't know how to drive.
Young man, what's your problem now? This is a Netflix standard now. We have a target. We are losing daylight. This movie is going to sell nationwide. The story is that the moment he runs in, as robbers are chasing him with the money, you zoom off. You are struggling to start the car. Please now.
I'm sorry, sir. Please, let me try it again, please.
The moment you hear action, you zoom off. No need to wait. But then the robbers will have caught up with him now. Please, let's do this one more time, please.
Take 1, scene 2, action. Let's go.
Action!
What the heck is that?
Precious time. Eh?
What's the meaning of this now?
What's going on here?
Bro, excuse me. Please, do you know how to drive?
Please, you're just going to take a movie scene for us, please. He will give you the car keys. You just enter. The moment you hear action, you start the car and just drive. You can drive, yeah?
For free.
No, we'll pay you. Don't worry, we'll pay you.
You, they go now, they go.
Please, give him the keys. Come on, Balo. So, Justice, let's do it.
Hey! Director, he has gotten it. Hey.
Look at they're taking your role. After I said they're not giving you opportunity to shine.
Hello. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Please, did you see any man on blue walk past this place?
With stripes?
Yes, sir.
He just helped us take a role now. He just drove. He's coming back now. They'll drive down back now.
Oh my God. That man is a very dangerous madman. He just ran away from our hospital now. Jesus. Oh my goodness, can you call the person with him?
Can you see what you have caused? Let me just call the person that...
Do you know that we're shooting a movie? That guy cannot even start the car and drive. Simple movie scene, no. Start the car and drive. He cannot even drive. I don't know what he was doing. Sorry, I think I have a call. My director. Hello, director.
Hello, Papa. Please be very careful. That man that just drove you now. They say he's a madman. Please.
Pull up, nigga.
Hello, sir. Hello, please. The man you are with right now is a very dangerous madman.
Jesus.
My God.
If you shout at him, he'll be aggressive with you. If you are quiet with him, he will still be aggressive with you. Please, the thing you can do now is to try to make him take you to our hospital. Please, just calmly, sir. Please talk to him. Tell him to be calm with him.
Please, anyhow you can just be calm.
God, my God, one job, come on. Sir, I actually like the way you drive this car. You're a very cool driver. So tell me, how long have you been driving?
No.
Now. Okay, that's not the problem. Can you quietly look for a way to park? Let me just ease myself.
Okay. When I left motor, my papa said I avoid brake. If I want come down, I jump come down when motor they move. If I want stop motor, you see that nepa pole. Motor get down.
Don't buy, no worry.
God, I beg. Wait today no spoil for us.
Wait today no spoil for us.
Osasu, my boss, why they go under this hot sun?
I want to reach that junction.
Oh, chill.
Hey, boss.
Oh, yeah, enter my drop.
Boss, help me on the shine. I tap from Una Grace.
Enter motor, oga.
For the struggle.
You come on sleep us, I saw you lawyer reach. Yes, sit.
Young man, so how are you? Officer, good afternoon. There's an investigation going on in this estate, so we are inviting all of you for questioning. Everybody to that vehicle.
I don't even know what to be on this.
Man, stop. That's some more they go.
Hey, come here. You know join them. Nah, Go find boss, they go house.
Hey! God answer my girl prayer.
I don't even want to make a day happy or make a day shame.
Water? That man the boss. Full water.
Kodri, mo ti ń wá ẹ.
Ìyá ìmọ̀ ṣé ò sí.
Ṣé ò sí báwo? Àfáà ló rán mi sí ẹ pé kí ló tó ṣe wálé kí ó lánàá.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ àwa aràn yín síbi sẹ́wọ̀n lè pè mí ni. Ṣé wọ́n ní nọ́mbà mi wọ́n sì gbà mí láago.
Káfà máa pè wọ́n lórí fóònù.
Ṣé mi.
Tí ẹ fìyẹn lẹ̀ kí ló tó ṣe wálé kí ó lánàá gangan? Àná ló yẹ kó ka tíra ẹ̀ kí ló tó ṣe wá.
Ojú ń dùn mí ni.
Ojú ń dùn wọn Kodri. Ojú tí mo rí ó ń dùn wọn.
Ṣé mo ní wíkìlò lójú ẹ̀gbọ́n ni?
Wíkìlò ìgbọ́n ní wíkìlò bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní múyàn lójú Kodri.
Bá ní mo ní wíkìlò lójú mo ní sójú rẹ ni.
Kodri, àwọn ìwà burúkú ìwà irọ́ tó máa ń wù yìí àwọn ó yẹ kó ti fi wú.
Madam ṣé èyí rẹ̀ fọ́ ni àbí kí ni ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ náà?
Kodri.
Kí ni ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ náà? Sọ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ lọ́rọ̀ tó máa ń dá sí náà ní ojú ọlọ́pọlọ. Kí ni ọpọlọ yẹn tó ń mọ́ lólólò àbí bí kíkì? Ǹjẹ́ òfin lókìkí náà nù? Ìwọ àti ṣèyí bàtí tẹ́jọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní kọrin ọwọ́ adé nìṣẹ́ padà sílé kí ọwọ́ sun ara yẹn.
Kodri èmi.
Kí ló ṣe máa parọ́ ni?
Kodri.
Kí ni ọtọ́ ṣẹ̀kẹ́ bọ̀ kú bí ikú bẹ́yú?
Kodri.
Ìwọ nìkan kọ́ ló máa ń dájọ́ sàárà ní ilé kí wọ́n bá ti gbé sára wọn mọ̀ dájọ́ àkàrà ráìsì gbogbo ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ ń dájọ́.
Kodri.
Ó ní máa kàkẹ́ òkè ṣé mà kàkẹ́ ó láìsí oúnjẹ nù.
Kodri ṣe o pé Mukadam ló ń bá sọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀.
Tẹlifóònù Mukadam náà tẹlifóònù Mukadam. Ìwọ yẹ kó fún yàdí ni wọ́n fún Mukadam wọn ní pé kí ni.
Kodri èmi.
Kí ni?
Ṣọ́ra ẹ̀ má jẹ́ kí n change ẹ̀.
Kí ló fẹ́ ṣe?
Kodri.
Tàló fẹ́ sẹ́ǹjì fún wá sẹ́ǹjì fún mi kí n fọ́ sẹ́ǹjì.
Kodri ṣé mo yọ owó ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ sí?
Kò fẹ́ dà fún ẹ.
Èmi Kodri.
Kò fẹ́ yọ ni Mukadam.
Kodri.
Àbí.
Government workers.
This country,
Farmers.
I feel like
I'm so
that.
happy. Thank you all for coming on a short notice.
Okay.
Who you be? I be your ex-boyfriend, but you know now still a package. What about you? I had a crush on her and she invites me.
You know, ever since I moved into this city, you guys are the reason why I'm able to pay my rent, my bills, all my vacations. You guys are like my backbone.
As I go straight to the point, why am I here?
Okay, I want to start a business and I need your support.
So how much do you need? How could this stock is getting too long?
Chief, like 100 million naira.
Is that why you brought all of us here? Because of 100 million. As I will take care of it.
Chief.
No, Chief. How you say you won't pay us? You calm down, make Chief pay him now. Calm down. Chief, they try to take this babe to himself. No. This morning, I wait till we go share together. Chief, wait till leave Chief, make Chief pay now.
Wait. As I was this miscreant trying to drag money with me.
Chief, no talk like that. Now this boy is spend money past Chief.
This is an play. This is an insult.
No.
Look, I'm bigger than this movement. 100 million, I can share one by one, all of you here.
100 million?
Shut up!
Bro, calm down. Now, why before you full have to argue again? You won't say 100 million each. So, wait 100 million go do for you.
Jesus.
We come here, so we can participate this money matter together. Chief, make we just share this to make all of us participate. So, how much you go bring right now?
Because of time, I will just do 90 million.
No. You can't pay 90 million. Hey! You pay 50 million. I will bring 30 million. This guy will bring 20.
Yes,
You know, you talk about 50K, 20M.
In youthful age.
You be thief. Madam, I get this one.
Now my phone.
Now my own phone. Give it to me. Now my phone, Oga.
Hey, I believe. Now I just come out from house. Make I go buy credit, buy data. Because my wife was buying my table. No, my children, they watch using what? Because if she say yeah, they lonely. You come out from bush, snatch my phone.
Madam, why you dey stress yourself like this?
How?
With this phone where you hold, you fit do all these things where they talk. Just log into ASBdata.com.
Wetin be ASB data?
ASB data na platform where they use they buy data with all kinds of cable subscriptions, bill payments, and many more. with this platform. Just go to Play Store, type ASB data. iPhone, go to Apple Store, type ASB data. You go see them, then you go download them.
They get website?
Yes, madam. Their website now, www.asbdata.com.
Yes, people don't spoil this road, so they will go nika. Thief! You thief! Thief!
Wait. Madam, you dey sure say this in your phone?
My phone, why I carry from house where pikin buy from me from Costa
And you know your password?
Of course, I know my password.
You know the password?
Then my phone be this. I go call the password.
Call the password.
No, ladies first. Now me go first call password. Make no say na my own.
You
call the password, madam.
Okay. 419. 3. You see, some people can be so unsincere. Why you not tell me say you be thief, do not brother? Ah, go the trust person wey carry data. And me and Jerry.
You mumu. The other guy first talk say make the boy call him passport. You go collect and you say no, ladies first. Now they don't carry your phone around. You don't hear the show. Mumu like you. Oh God. Thanks guys for watching. I really appreciate. You understand? Thanks for watching to the very end. What's your favorite part of the video? Drop it right in the comment section. You understand? I'll make sure I will reply to every single comment in the comment section. You understand? And please make sure to check out my other videos. There's so many fantabulous, sarcastic videos on my channel. Check them out. And please, in case you watched to this very stage and you are yet to subscribe to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please click the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification to get notified anytime I drop this amazing videos. You understand? So see you in the next one, my people. Peace out.